Hello everyone. Turkey's first flying wing, deep strike unmanned aerial vehicle, has successfully performed its maiden flight. The debut of the new generation air combat fighter, named Anka 3, marks the latest significant advancement in Turkey's defense capabilities, showcasing the nation's commitment to indigenous technological development in combat drones. Anka 3 reached an altitude of 8,000 feet during the flight that lasted an hour and 10 minutes, according to its developer and pioneering defense manufacturer Turkish Aerospace Industries. It is the third member of Thai's Anka drone family and boasts several advantages such as low radar visibility, high speed thanks to its jet engine, and a substantial payload capacity. The drone will be capable of performing different missions such as reconnaissance, surveillance, and intelligence, with air-ground munitions, air-to-air ammunition, and radar systems. It will be able to perform many tasks such as operation and communication relay together with other friendly elements. The Anka 3 achieved a speed of 150 knots and also performed a runway overshoot test. During the inaugural flight, it features similar avionic architecture and ground control stations to that of the Anka and Anka 2, unmanned combat aerial vehicles, also developed by Thai. It has neither horizontal nor vertical tails, a design that officials say will enable it to operate covertly without detection. It will also feature a high-speed transfer capability, allowing quick deployment to remote areas. The Anka 3 is expected to be capable of flying at a service altitude of up to 40,000 feet and withstand flight for up to 10 hours at 30,000 feet. It will have a maximum takeoff weight of 6,500 kilograms 14,330.05 pounds and a practical payload capacity of 1,200 kilograms. The Turkish Aerospace Industries developed H-Rike basic training aircraft and Anka ucav accompanied Anka 3 on its flight. Anka 3E's capacity will enable the integration of a wide range of options, from commonly used munitions in current ucavs to larger munitions such as SAM-J, Mk-82 and bunker-busting bombs. We now have a ucav in the sky that the enemy cannot see but can see the enemy, said Temukadal, general manager of TUSA. We all know, it's the century of wars and stealth technology is making it harder and harder for opponents to detect the enemy's presence. I hope Turkey will use these drones only to defend itself. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative content like this one. Goodbye.